Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new exciting video, because in this video we're going to install these Wizard back boxes onto the Brera. At first I actually had non-resonated straight through Wizard back exhausts, but they turned out extremely loud. I have a clip of them here. Though they sounded really great, especially on startup, they were just too loud on a natural aspirated engine. So fortunately I got a good deal on them and could sell them with a little bit of a profit. Then I bought these used back boxes of Wizard. I got a good deal on these as well, because they were used and were oxidizing, so they needed a bit of a polish. But after polishing, they are now looking like new again. So I think I could sell these with a profit as well. But we're not going to sell them, we're going to install them onto the Brera. And I think because these have a muffler, they are going to be like a better balance for the Brera. To mount these I did need to take the rear bumper off, but I already did that. If you want to know how to do that, I got a separate video of that. So now we're going to install them, put the bumper back on, and then test how they sound.
So guys, the exhaust is installed, so now we can finally start it. I did start and drive it off camera because I didn't have time to film, and I must say I'm really liking the sound, so hopefully you guys like it too. So yeah, let's start her up. So let's go for a drive to warm her up and then do some revs. Love the exhaust. I mean, it's not too loud. For me, it's just perfect. I was hoping that it would be like this, and luckily it is. I was afraid maybe it was a little bit too resonating, but I think it's fine. I think it's yeah, it sounds perfect. Not too loud, not too soft. On normal driving, you just hear a little bit of background of the exhaust, which I really like. It makes it a little bit more of a sporty drive, and on you know, more full throttle, you just get more of this sound, and it's not drony at all. So maybe that has to do with the Wizard center muffler. But it sounds great, so really happy with it. So exhaust box checked, and now only one more thing to do with this car, and that is to upgrade the carpets to black carpets, and then it's just maintenance from there. So really happy with how the project is turning out. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the exhaust as well, or you want it to be more racy, more ricer, or you think it's fine like this as well? So yeah, let me know what you guys think.